Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. At right now ay nandito pa rin kami sa Manila guys, dito sa Savoy Hotel. Malapit lang sa NAIA Airport. Kadarating na namin bumili kami ng pagkain. That's what we're not really planning anything today but just to eat and relax so that we're ready the next day para sa flying to Denmark. So, yeah. So, bumili kami sa S&R Pizza. Ang laki ng pizza nila. Pakita ko. So, nasa bed siya kasi walang table.
Can you see if there's any hot sauce or something?
Wait lang. So, there's no table dito. So, yan. Sa bed namin siya nilagay. So, we just have to be very careful. Now, we don't mess up the bed. Yan.
Also because it's my bed.
What did you say? What did you say, Martin?
I said also because it's my bed.
Okay, but is it good?
It's okay. It's warm. You can make
Nice.
warm pizza.
Yumsy.
Can you give me the drinks?
What did you say?
Can you please give me the drinks, love?
Yes, I will do that, but you have to say please.
Please.
This one?
Yeah, start with that.
Okay.
And maybe also some tissue paper.
I'm getting annoyed
She
now.
gave you a lot today, the woman.
I mean, I'm also gonna share that. That's a lot, but I also try to order yung ano nila guys. What is it called? Yung manok nila. Next time ito puputak-putak na tayo. Anyway, first time kong matry ang S&R na chicken. So, I bought just one piece and a rice. That is more than enough. Kasi meron pa niyan. Yumsy. And then,
Any hot sauce?
there's a lot of sauces here. There. Lagay ko muna siya dyan. There. What else can we get here? There. Yon. So guys, meron pa pala nito. Hindi ko napakita ko sa inyo. While, oh my God, hindi na ako nakakapagsalita. But anyway, bumili din na kami dito sa Lawson Friday Everyday. Yan. Para siyang 7-Eleven dito. And then, doon kami bumili ng drinks kasi mas mura pa rin bumili ng drinks kaysa bumili sa S&R. So, bumili kami ng malaking Coke. Parang 2 liters ata yun. And then, I bought anong tawag na ito? Siomai. Fried siomai.
It's actually shark fin.
There is siomai and there is shark's fin.
And you bought shark fins.
I bought 2.
You bought
So,
both?
this one. So, real price nito, pag may rice included, it's around 69, something like that. Pero, hindi ako bumili ng rice kasi may rice na ako sa other food ko. So, this is, I think, 35 each. Okay na rin. Tingnan nyo, shark's fin. Oh, bakit ang blurry? Kita ba? Hoy! I think something is not right. Ito. Yan. There you go. And it reminds me sa life ko dati. Ito din. Nag-call center agent ako guys. Nag-call center agent ako dati. Very, very, very long time ago sa Makati. And then, every time na nag-break time kami, pag may konting pera, kumakain kami dun sa 7-Eleven. Tapos yung ino-order namin, mga ganito. Tapos with rice na, ganyan. So, nung sa Cebu kami, kumakain ako ng siomai, pero hindi ako, ewan ko ba, hindi ako bumili ng mga, naka-fried na. So, yung normal talaga na steam. So, yan. So, this is like bringing back memories. Ganyan. So, now we're gonna eat. Ipoposition ko kayo ng mas okay kasi yes. So, guys, let's eat. Ganyan. Naka-ako ha, naka-cycling ako ha. So, that's fine. Now, we're gonna eat pizza first. Ang laki. I mean, you can also buy, I'm not gonna miss it up. You can also actually buy just a slice of pizza doon.
I wonder if it's an 8 or it's a 6 when you buy this slice.
Yeah, I don't know. So, yan. Malaki siya. Tapos, warm. So, masarap siya. Sarap.
Yummy.
Yeah. But the woman bang, she looked well dressed for a beggar. You notice it? So I'm a little bit.
Maybe she don't got food, right? What to do? Maybe it's a scam.
Yeah. I actually know. Not know, but there is this vlogger in the Philippines. I forgot her name, but she got a grandmother. But of course, like was living at home, and they will take care of her, provided with everything. They're like rich. But then the grandmom is like she's always out. And then they found out that she's begging outside. It's not because they need it, it's just I don't know.
Make you feel good.
Yeah, maybe that she's getting something out of like
Nothing.
nothing. So she go there and
But it's crazy.
she go there and she begged, and of course people give her money, and then when they found out that she's the grandmother of the vlogger, and the vlogger is like rich, right? Then of course they started talking about, oh, she's like acting so rich and buying all this expensive stuff and going traveling all over the world, and then she cannot even take care of her grandmother who begs for food. But then she was like, we provide everything she needs, everything. She doesn't need to, but she escaped always from the home, from their house. And then she will beg, and then in a way maybe she's sick in the head. She will make up some stories that like she's so hungry and she have not been eating for days. Crazy, right? No, it's because guys, when we went outside, there is this old lady. She's like in her 60s, and she looked like she's well dressed. You know, she looked good. She looked clean.
Not well dressed.
Not well. I mean, for a beggar, she looked clean and she looked nice. So she was like asking for whatever. It could be food, whatever. So she was like asking.
What did she ask for exactly?
She didn't really ask. She was like doing this now, maybe a little help like that. So you don't know what a little help. It could be money, it could be food. But she didn't mention. But I didn't really want to give out money because for once I also do not have so much money.
For once? Oh.
No, I mean basically I don't have so much money.
No, just for once. For once you like,
And
don't
then-
got any money.
And then we're gonna travel. It's like no, I don't have so much money.
Just
and-
for once, it seems like it's been forever.
I don't have so much money. That's the right word. I don't have so much money, and
For once, can you treat me?
I do not like to give out money because you see a lot of this like documentary that if they are being held in against their will, then the money it doesn't go to them.
Stop.
Yeah, I know, but still, that's always like at the back of my head. So I'd rather, I don't know. But anyway, when we went out, so we actually got a lot more food than expected. So I was like, oh, should I help her because she looked like my mom, that kind of look, right? And Martin said, okay, you can give the food. So I gave her like a whole like this. And it's nice because, wait on, talking, and I was just like, but it actually feels good that you gave out something. But I was also thinking maybe money would also be better because I mean she can choose what she used the money for. But then the food for me, it's like it will really go to her. There's no question about that. I mean, she can eat the food. So yeah, it was nice. And then when I gave it to her, she was, I'm Bisaya, I'm from Cebu. So I was speaking to her in Bisaya, it just comes out like, oh, te para imo ni, this is for you, ate. And she's like, oh, where are you from? Cebu. And then she said she's from Mandaue. So we're both Bisaya, you know. But it was nice. It was nice. And she was so happy, and on the way out here when we crossed, like we had an eye to, and she was like waving. So that was nice.
There's a bit cheese inside of these, but it's
I do.
not worth eating. It's like,
They say there's cheese inside, but really there's nothing in there. Now I'm gonna eat my chicken. Rice. Charan! Now this one. Gravy. Sarap ang gravy nila. Try natin. It's very like light. How to do this, ba? So you can see my food. Okay.
maybe you could do it in the bathroom.
Oh, that could also be nice. Because there's like a table there, but I'm not gonna do that because that's yucks. You wanna try the shawmai? No, Martin's afraid.
They come with the chili and all that.
No chili. Yeah,
Oh,
chili and
so
chicken is normal chicken. Yesterday guys ba, for the first time na try namin yung Popeyes chicken. Sarap niya. Ang sarap. Feeling ko mas masarap pa sa Jollibee. Sa Cebu walang Popeyes chicken. I don't think so. Hindi ko pa nakita doon.
you open this one.
Oh, it's so spicy, that one. Wala, di pa.
What do they call that?
Enough?
Oh, this is young one. Taste it again.
Nothing. Give me a drink though. Now let's try this one. Shark's fin.
Oh, it's a chicken actually.
Good actually. I mean, I have to say that the Popeyes chicken still the winner. Like, it's still the winner. How am I gonna do this? I don't have any small plates, nothing.
Wait.
You think it can just okay?
I think it's coated in plastic.
Okay.
You could also put it here. So the chance of you fucking up is minimum.
Oh. No, I'm thinking I can actually... You're not gonna use the cup there, right? There's like a...
Jeg siger bare, at folk siger, det er fint,
Okay.
du gør sådan noget, hvorfor skal du fortælle det på en video? Så gør du
Now
det.
it's there. I'm gonna be putting We don't have a small lalagyan ng ano ba, soya and vinegar. No, not vinegar, soya and chili sauce. So we're gonna put it in the cup.
Isn't there is no coffee
What?
coffee cup, you know?
No. Just like this. It's just this, and then with a stirring thing. Yeah. So you don't know if it's actually clean or not. Of course it's clean, but it's like, how long has it been like that? How much is the normal price here? Like if you didn't get any discount? Do you know?
No. Minus 75% off. And then minus on that price, and then I got
Give me a tissue.
minus on their price.
Okay.
20%.
20%?
Did it happen?
No, just a little too. That's fine. That's fine. Maybe I put it there then. Small scissor, but it's not allowed apparently. I know, of course, it is allowed if you just check it in. If you know what I mean. Okay, now we got it covered. Nag-spill tayo konti sa bed, guys. But then, whatever. That's life. Now I'm gonna start with this. I'll remove this so it's easier. That's good. You wanna try though? No. Siomai. Sarap. Rice konti.
It's a yum too.
You want? Let me have a gentle one last. No, let me tell you a story that's so crazy fucked up though. Are you ready? You're gonna get shocked.
There's something about TV and Korean TV.
Yeah, hold it.
I don't want to hear
No,
it.
this-
I heard it all morning. I don't want to
Yeah,
hear
what
it.
is it then?
That this one and this one, God, and this one, blah, blah.
Oh, let me just tell you the fucking
They
crazy.
played all morning, seeing.
No, just very quick story. There is this. Apparently, I don't know what. Do you know Telegram app? There's apparently an app used by Koreans to communicate.
Russian also.
Okay, but then apparently you can make different chat rooms, okay? And there is this guy, they call him the doctor. And the doctor, he's been scamming, not scamming, but he manipulated a lot of young girls. For example, you're a college student, and then suddenly there is a link towards, you're like, okay, if you want to earn extra money, there is no string attached, we're not even gonna be physically seeing each other. All you have to do is to give some pictures, and then some of the pictures would be, the first few pictures would be decent, you know, like just like a model, like, oh, face, da da da. And then every time they give pictures, it's equivalent to a certain amount of money. And of course, you're a college student, oh, that's also extra. And then after that, then they were requesting more, but then suddenly you put in your boobs in there with your face, and now this guy got a photo of you that he can use to threat you. So it's like, okay, I want more. You know what? I got your contact here now. Like I got every information that's all about you, your parents, your siblings, this and that, blah blah blah. So if you're not gonna do what I'm telling you, these pictures and everything, it will be sent to your contacts, you know, family members, blah 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 blah. And then at some point it goes to death threat, those kind. I know exactly where, but it's been going on, and then after that, this is just showing boobs, now showing your everything, and then after that, the viewers, apparently there's a lot of viewers. So this is a chat where if you wanna be a member to that chat, you have to pay, and there's a lot of competition, so you have to be more creative, you know, in a way. So then it's like, okay, you have to, and then at the end it became like so crazy that they would say to the woman, hey, you go to the public toilet and then you make bowl or something, like crazy things they have to do, and then have to do a lot of, at some point, the bleeding, because you have to have a blade and you that like that. And of course the woman, and then right after you do this crazy act, you look at the camera and like you smile. You know, that's like the trademark of, okay, that is under the doctors. So people are paying so much money, like 200,000 men of Korea are like looking, and then apparently there will be some contest, so it will like continue, right? Okay, there will be a contest, and men will have to, like, for example, 10 men, and you say one, I don't know, I cannot explain, but the one who will win that contest will have the opportunity to request what he want the other girls to act later on the next video. So it could be like, okay, the girl, you should that one, and then she really have to do it, because or else she will get killed.
Don't do it.
You'll get killed because all the information is there. It will ruin the whole family and all. So it's been going on, but there's some who like try to kill themselves or something like that. So that is the doctor, and apparently his history, he's a small guy. They are like, he's 21 years old, no, 23. He's a small guy, and he undergone, that's why he's called himself the doctor. He undergone a knee surgery, so he will become taller, because he's a small guy. Okay, so he's and he's a bit chubby too, so like that. And he paid a lot of money to have that surgery because he wanna be taller, right? And now he's 5'7" after that. So he's still small, but maybe he was way small. But anyway, when you have that surgery, it apparently is so painful, because they will break it here, and then they will and then put a hope that it will grow back. But anyway, it's 1 year of you cannot really walk right, you cannot do this. So he paid so much money for that. So that's why he was thinking what to do. So he's able to get, so he's smart. And then there's another guy they called God, and this God, he's not into it for the money, but he just like to, you know, like he just like the sadist. How you say sadist? Like when you see people sadism, when you see people in pain, like he like that. You're so bad. But anyway, that was the story. Don't so a lot of, and then where was that? And then there is a, but anyway, that's the crazy part. It became like so crazy that it involved now the president. It involved the, let's see, the biggest TV station in Korea, you know, those kind of things. And it turned out that the people who's involved, it took long time before they found out who is the doctor, who is God, who is, these are just kids. What the fuck? But kids that are smart, not kids like 21, 23, that kind of age, but they're very smart. And then they got all the same look. Apparently when you got a chubby face, they call it moon face in Korea, and that is not a pretty thing. You know, that means his moon face is like, oh, that's ugly. The face is like that, right? They are like that, and they're a bit chubby, and both are like small people, like small. The other one became 5'6", 5'7" after operation, and they're the one you just don't expect it to be them. Some point they thought the doctor.
What happened?
That's the crazy part. What happened was, the doctor only had 18 months in jail. Now he's free, but there's so much girls who died.
He didn't kill any of them.
He did.
Oh,
By forcing them to do so.
oh, by threat?
There's even one who... It's a crazy story.
So he didn't kill anybody?
He did.
No, he did not.
Not physically, but
Okay, how can you kill anybody emotionally?
manipulated.
Ah, bullshit.
It's like this, if you're not gonna do this, all your previous pictures and this, it will go to your family and friends, it will even go to your
Okay, a
workplace.
naked picture never killed
And
anybody.
to your workplace and all that, it's gonna ruin
Then send it. Yes. If you show your boobs, it's in the world.
But that is also what people minors. Like there is 8 years old, there is 13 years old who
Yeah, you
just
should-
click the link and suddenly, oh, you're gonna, and then they did it because it's 8 years
Of
old.
course.
Don't of course.
Of course, that's why 8 years old should not be able to be online. So it's the parents' mistake. The parents kill their own kids.
Why are you like that?
No, but that's the truth then.
No, but why are you like that?
And the parents say, okay, what
Why
do
are
you,
you dependent?
okay, I got a
Why are
question.
you in the side of the bad people?
I'm not on the side of the bad people.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
just saying he didn't kill anybody.
Yes, it did.
No, he did not.
Shit, I can't believe you're like that. And it's even recorded that you're taking the side of the bad
I'm not
people.
taking the side of them. I say they are pigs and they should die. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying he didn't kill anybody. He was threatening and then making threats, meaning it's words. But words don't kill.
Yes, it does.
No?
Yes, it does. My God, ang sarap na hinakain ko, guys. Sarap nito. Kaya lang wala ng rice. Alam niyo naman pag wala ng rice, diba? Parang kulang talaga ba? Pero you know what? Pagbalik ko ng Denmark, I really have to... Yeah, I have to be careful not eating too much. I've been eating too much dito sa Pilipinas. Then obviously, ulit ito yung younger. Malaki tayo. Yun. Gain so much. Tapos, yeah. Just eat. Pero pagbalik ko doon, of course, parang sure na sure, iti-try kong lumiit, guys. Balik, alindog tayo. Mabibisi na din kasi ako doon kasi may work na ganyan. Busy life na, so I'm hoping that will help na, pumaya tayo konti. But it's a big scandal nga doon.
Of course it's a scandal, but why the fuck did you let an 8 years old being on a telegram who's known for being a porn app? Why?
Is it really? Like a porn thing?
It happened.
But there are also some innocent chat rooms, right? It's just...
Yeah,
but
of course
they
there's
also
innocent
said...
chat room. Yeah, of course.
But they also said that Tilly...
There's probably also OnlyFans is probably also somebody who will just show you how to make a nice sweater. What is it called? Knitting. There is probably also that. And then they sell the contracts to the friends of the knitting. But that's not what we know going on in OnlyFans. It's not what I heard about. I've never been to OnlyFans. What I hold my
Now,
hand.
drinks long.
What?
Cola now. But they also blame that telegram itself because of course they're aware of this. That is the biggest chat room apparently, and of course they can see what is going on.